Hi, today's our topic is data encapsulation and abstraction. First is data encapsulation. Encapsulation is an object oriented programming concept that binds together the data and functions that manipulate the data and that keeps both safe from outside interference and misuse. Data encapsulation led to the important OOP concept of data hiding. In C, encapsulation has been used for a long time despite the absence of private and public keywords. The main advantages of encapsulation is the security of data. Benefits of encapsulation include encapsulation protects an object from unwanted access by clients. Encapsulation allows access to a level without revealing the complex details below that level. It reduces human errors. Encapsulation helps in isolating implementation details from the behavior exposed to the clients of a class and gives you more control over coupling in your code. Data encapsulation, also known as data hiding, is a mechanism whereby the implementation details of a class are kept hidden from the user. The user can only perform a restricted set of operations on the hidden members of the class by executing the special functions commonly called methods. Now, why need encapsulation in C? We need encapsulation in C to manipulate the access modifiers in C. The access modifiers are explicitly present in C++. For example, public, private. But they are not explicitly present in C. Although we can make use of this property in C by implementing encapsulation. Encapsulation also provides secure code which can be better understood by an example provided in the below section. This promotes adaptability with changing requirements as whichever code requires a change can be modified in a separate file without changing anything in the main program. This will give simple and error-free code up to some extent. Next is abstraction. In object-oriented programming, abstraction is one of the three central principles along with encapsulation and inheritance. Though the process of abstraction, a programmer hides all but the relevant data about an object in order to reduce the complexity and increase efficiency. So, here the main difference between encapsulation and abstraction is encapsulation is used for hide the code and data in a single unit to protect the data from the outside world. Class is the best example of encapsulation. Abstraction, on the other hand, means showing only the necessary details to the intended user. Abstraction is the abstract form of anything. Here is the main difference between abstraction and encapsulation. In abstraction, abstraction solves the problem in the design level, whereas in encapsulation, it solves the problem in the implementation level. Abstraction is used for hiding the unwanted data and gives the relevant data. Encapsulation means hiding the code and data into a single unit to protect the data from outside world. Abstraction lets you focus on the object does instead of how it works. But in the case of encapsulation, it means hiding the internal details or mechanics of how an object does something. So, abstraction, outer layout used in the terms of design. In the case of encapsulation, inner layouts is used in the terms of implementation. In the case of abstraction, using outer level, for example, outer look of a mobile, like it has a display screen and keypad buttons on dial number. In the case of encapsulation, like inner implementation details of a mobile, how keypad button and display screen are connected with each other using circuit. So these are the important difference between abstraction and encapsulation. So please subscribe my channel and comment your valuable suggestions. Thank you.